Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the best new features of Android 14, the latest version of Google's operating system for smartphones and tablets. Android 14 was released on October 4, 2023, and it brings a lot of improvements and changes to make your device more personal, protected and accessible. Let's take a look at what's new in Android 14 and how you can get it on your device. Ultra HDR. This feature enhances the photo quality of your device by capturing more details and colors in high dynamic range scenes. You can enable Ultra HDR in the camera settings and see the difference for yourself. Here is a photo I took with Ultra HDR on and off. You can see how much more vivid and realistic the colors are with Ultra HDR on. You can also zoom in and see how much more sharp and clear the details are with Ultra HDR on. This feature works best in situations where there is a lot of contrast between light and dark areas, such as sunrise, sunset, or indoors with natural light. Ultra HDR is compatible with most devices running Android 14, but some devices may have better performance than others. AI-generated wallpapers. This feature lets you create unique and customized wallpapers for your device, powered by artificial intelligence. You just need to follow some guided prompts to express your personality and preferences, and Android 14 will generate a wallpaper that matches your style. This feature is coming first to Pixel phones soon. You can also change the wallpaper anytime you want by following the same steps. This feature is a fun and easy way to personalize your device and make it stand out from the crowd. Lock screen customizations. This feature gives you more options to personalize your lock screen and home screen. You can choose from different clock styles, shortcuts, widgets and themes to make your device more you. Pixel devices also have some exclusive options for lock screen customizations. Privacy updates. This feature gives you more control over your data and permissions. Android 14 proactively shows you easy-to-understand information about the app's data usage and access. You can also choose what access you grant to apps to keep you safe. Additionally, Android 14 supports Health Connect, a central way to connect your health and fitness apps, see your data in one place and manage your privacy. Accessibility features. This feature makes Android 14 more inclusive and user-friendly for people with different needs and preferences. Android 14 supports larger font sizes up to 200%, non-linear font scaling, improved screen magnification and facial gesture recognition. You can also use the new sound notifications feature to get alerts for important sounds around you, such as fire alarms, doorbells or crying babies. So these are some of the best new features of Android 14 that I wanted to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of Android 14 and what features you are most excited about. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in Android 14. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.